And we have some more breaking news coming in. Etala Rajendran, who was sacked from the post of Telangana Health Minister post, and later he had resigned from MLA and TRS party, visited his constituency in Huzurabad today when he received a grand welcome there. Remember, before resigning from the TRS and from the post of the MLA, Etala had met BJP's national president JP Nadda in the national capital, once again spewing speculations over his next move. Let me go across to my colleague Aneri, who's also joining us live. Aneri, we are getting in these visuals of Etala receiving this grand welcome in his home constituency. Please share more.
Well, that's right, Richa. Now, Huzurabad has been one of the home constituencies for Etal Rajendran, who is a senior leader, and for last 19 years he had served with the TRS party, and also later in the last few months we had seen a lot of political developments being taking place, where he was removed from his post of health minister in the state of Telangana after a few land grabbing allegations were raised against him, and few days back we saw him resigning from the post of MLA and from the TRS party, and also he had levelled allegations against Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao. And let me remind you, few days back, last week, Etal Rajendran had met BJP National President JP Nadda along with the state leaders, along with state BJP President Bandi Sanjay and other BJP leaders. He had met JP Nadda in New Delhi. Well, now there were a lot of speculations in regard with what will be the next move of Etal Rajendran, whether he will be joining the BJP, because, well, it remains to be seen what will be the next move being taken by the Etal Rajendran. But let me remind you, Etal Rajendran has a lot of strong hold among the BC community and also the left, because he has been there as a sitting MLA since last several years, and now after 19 years of his association with the TRS party, he had resigned recently from the post of MLA from Huzurabad constituency.
Certainly a very important update coming in, Aneri, and we are seeing a much speculation behind whether or not Etala will be joining the BJP or not. That will only be seen in the future. Many thanks, Aneri, for getting us that update.